2022 Dodge Challenger. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.